Exploit means what? Take advantage of. Exploit that.
Make use of.
And or reforming the financial system to enable central banks to take interest rates deeply negative. Exploiting the revolutionary shift among consumers away from old-style banking to fintech and digital payments.
Or reforming the financial system.
Yeah.
Understand? To enable central banks to take interest rates deeply negative. How they reform the financial system is make the central bank to take the interest rates deeply negative. What does it mean?
So what means you have take an interest rate to be negative?
It's very low interest.
Yeah.
Normally almost no interest.
Yeah.
0. Okay. So reforming the financial system, the aim is to make it happen.
Allow something to enable give power to the central banks.
Power to the bank to do the deeply negative interest.
Yeah.
And
exploiting
revolutionary
shift among consumers away from the old style banking to fintech and digital payments. Okay. Exploiting the revolutionary shift. Exploit means what? Take advantage of. Take advantage.
I don't know what take advantage of mean.
Okay. Suppose you kind of lost, right? You're driving and you're lost,
okay.
Right? And then suppose I'm in the car, right,
okay.
with you, and then we find this guy over there who maybe can help us find directions. So I say to you, hey, can you go ask that guy how to get directions? Why would I ask you to go? Why wouldn't I go myself?
Maybe I'm close to the person.
No.
You just want me to do this thing. You don't want to do by yourself.
It doesn't have to do with me or you. It has to do with that person. How that person will receive. Who will that person help more? Will that person help you more or help me more? Well, I'm asking.
You think if you like me to ask for direction, that person might help me.
Yes, but if I ask, they won't help me, right? Why is that? You ask me, I'm asking you, why?
Just your thinking.
I'm asking you, why would I say that?
Why you say that?
Yeah, why would I say that? Why would somebody help you and not help me?
I don't know.
Well, you think about it. Why would somebody help you and not help me?
I don't know.
Because you're a woman. So maybe a guy is more willing to help you than to help me. So what would you call that? They call this exploitation. I exploit the fact that you're a woman. I make use of the fact that you're a woman, and I know that how maybe men treat women better than men, right?
Whoa.
So I send you over to do something. So I exploit you. Exploit the fact that you're a woman. Make use of the fact that you're a woman. Exploit that.
Make use of. Okay. So they make use of the
revolutionary shift. Shift, you know what shift is?
Yeah.
You know? What is shift?
Shift means shift.
Huh? Shift. What is that? What the heck are you doing?
Change.
Yeah, moving from one to something. Yeah, change something. Yeah, revolutionary shift among consumers away from old-style banking to fintech and digital payments. Basically, saying consumers are using less old bank-style stuff and using fintech, which means financial technology, and digital payments. They're using more digital stuff. They're not using old-style banking as much. Everything's online. All the money is online, kind of stuff. The main sentence was, this may involve something.
I know.
And this may involve reforming the financial system to enable central banks to take the interest rate deeply negative. How are they going to do that? By exploiting the revolutionary shift of consumers away from old-style banking to fintech and digital systems. So this exploiting is like changing what? What are you talking about? Who is exploiting something?
Government.
No. Central banks. Again, central banks trying to make interest rate go negative, right? What does it mean to make interest rate go negative?
So they don't want you to save money. They want you to spend money.
Yeah, right. So they almost give money for free for you.
Yeah.
Right. So it's like negative interest rate. Right. So so then you can make this happen because people are more doing fintech and digital payments. I don't know why that's the case. Doesn't matter. It's just saying something about how allow central banks to have more power to do something.